exploding the kitchen again. Stop it. Tooth. Can you go away? Okay, thank you. Today we are going to be making s'mores. So first, we are going to go get some marshmallows. Marshmallows! Now we are going to get some graham crackers. Graham crackers. Next, we get a plate. This thing! Okay, next we put some marshmallows on that thing. Okay, I forgot real quick. Next we need some chocolate. So let's put it on.
That isn't s'more chocolate.
You thought. We're using it as dipping sauce, obviously. Into the microwave. And then we press cook time. Then we press 2, 0, start. Now, we wait. Yeah, now we can eat this. Now we pray that I don't accidentally eat any ketchup. Okay, yeah, it's time to pray that I don't got any ketchup on it. I don't see any ketchup.
I can delete photos.
Oh, I got some ketchup in that.
That one.
Hey guys, it's future me. I do not use ketchup as dipping sauce. Don't worry, I am not a monster. That was just a joke. I do not use ketchup as dipping sauce for s'mores. Just wanted to clear that up. Yeah, most things that seem weird that like a normal person wouldn't do, and I say I do that, it's probably a joke, and I'll probably say that at the end. Bye-bye.